smooth, radiant, glowing skin can be yours today. Oh my god, that sounds like the god-awful infomercial, but welcome to my channel. And welcome. Today's video, we're going to talk about potential spoilers for Boxycharm in the future. And you guys know I love to get on Instagram, Facebook, and now TikTok looking for what we may see in our future Boxycharm base box, premium box, and luxe box. So if this sounds like a video that you are down to hear, and I'll be honest with you, I'm feeling rather rambly today, so you better buckle up, guys. That's all I got to say about that. So stick around, subscribe, turn on that notification bell. I have 3 giveaways going on. I would love to have you guys enter into those. Those will be posted down in my description box, as well as I will try and put that in the comment section down below and pin that post for you guys. But let's go ahead and jump in because I have a lot of things to talk about for you guys. Okay, so as always, guys, you know, like I said, I search Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, whatever it may be. I'm on the hunt for spoilers for you guys. So I've got some TikToks for you guys. I've got some Instagrams. I've got all kinds of things I'm going to be popping up over here. And the first most recent one that we saw, and again, I'm going to pop it up over here. First one that you're going to see, this is actually Joe, and I did pull this one over from Instagram, and in there he's showing not only his mask and social distancing and everything, but you're going to see down on the little table there's a little box and then a little like jar sitting next to it. Now a lot of people have done their research on what in the world could this possibly be, and it turns out it is a Marc Jacobs skincare item, which you guys know has me all kinds of excited because I love skincare. Now this particular item is said to be the Marc Jacobs Beauty Youthquake Hydra Full Retexturizing Gel Cream Moisturizer. It does have a retail value of $59. Now there are different sizes, so that is the 1.7 ounce. The 0.5 ounce is considered the mini size, and that is $21 over at Sephora. And then there is a 3 fluid ounce, which is $89. Now a little bit about this particular item is it is a multitasking moisturizer, and it has powerful pineapple enzymes and encapsulated sodium hyaluronate, big word, not good at that, for hydration, retexturizing results, and glowing makeup ready canvas. It is good for normal, dry, and combination skin types, and it is good if you have skincare concerns such as dryness, dullness, and uneven texture, as well as fine lines and wrinkles. Yes! So you guys know that I have been obsessed with Boxycharm, I want to say since like 2015, and I love looking back and seeing how far they've come. I may have even signed up in 2014. I honestly can't remember, but it's been a long time. And I have to say, back then when I signed up, it was just the base box. It was $21 a month, and it's crazy to see how far they came, you know, because back then you didn't see Hourglass and Marc Jacobs and like any high-end, you know, types of brands, and now we're seeing things like Marc Jacobs and Hourglass and Tarte and a lot of high-end Natasha Denona. We're seeing these kind of brands coming to Boxycharm, and it's so exciting to me. Now granted, there's 3 different tiers when it comes to Boxycharm, and the base box is $25 plus tax, but now versus back then, you get at least $125 worth of product. Now you also have the option to sign up for the premium box, which is $35 plus tax. And again, that you still get $175 worth of product. And then quarterly, you have the option to sign up for the Boxy Luxe, which you get well over $200 worth of goodies in that. So no matter how you look at it, the brands that are in Boxycharm now, or that are coming to Boxycharm, it's just, as you guys know, one of my favorite subscription boxes around. I love the fact that this is the best way, one of the best ways to grow your collection, especially, and it's so funny because I feel like before I was like fine with whatever brand, but now I'm like, Boxycharm made me bougie. I like bougie now. I love affordable, don't get me wrong, But now when it comes to subscriptions, I'm like, I think I'm expecting bougie products in my subscription boxes. Thanks, Boxy, you know? So let me know down below if you guys are the same way. It was funny because I actually saw in one of my Facebook groups, somebody said the exact same thing. They're like, Boxycharm makes me only want high-end products. I'm like, I'm with you there, girl. Okay, I've taken a left-hand turn. I do want to give a huge shout out to SKINSTORE and Michael Todd Beauty. This is not sponsored or anything, but they did send over the Sonic Smooth 2-in-1 Sonic Dermaplating System. It's an exfoliation and hair removal to smooth and remove and reveal for your skin. And this is what it looks like right here. It does come with refillable razors, and I have been using this and I love this. And you guys know I stay at home not only because like I am a homebody, but healthy at home, that's my jam, you know? So I don't go out and get facials or anything like that anymore, so it's all up to me for self-care, and I'm loving it. And this is amazing. So I want to show you guys, this is chargeable, but you can turn it on and it actually vibrates. You guys hear that? Put up, and there's different speeds. So there's different speeds to it. It gets in super close to your skin. It removes not only the hair, but it takes away the dead cells or the dead skin. And I'm telling you guys, it is just like when I used to go and get facials and she would do the dermaplaning. This is absolutely amazing. Like I said, it's available at SKINSTORE. They did give me a coupon code, HOTMESS. It'll save you 25%. I made sure to go put this baby in a cart and use my code to make sure it works. It does work. So if you guys are interested in this, you're gonna love it. You're definitely gonna love it. I normally had used the ones where you just manually do it, but this is so much easier. You just pop it on and it goes, and it's so smooth, and it's like the closest that I've ever gotten to going to get it done by my esthetician. It's amazing. So like I said, I'll have it linked down below for you guys. Okay, let's talk about some other items, other sneak peeks that we did see. Now I think this one still may be up on TikTok. I could be wrong, but I am gonna post it over here for you guys because as soon as I find it, I hurry up and like screen record it. So the next one that I'm gonna show you guys, like I said, is from TikTok, and this is where they had laid out all the palettes we've seen in past Boxycharm boxes. However, there were a few in there that I don't recall ever seeing in our Boxycharm. The first one being this one right here. This is the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. You guys, this was one of my favoriteest palettes, I want to say, when I first started my channel back in 2017. I remember the hype around this palette was like, get your hands on it. You know, you remember when these shades were like the big thing? So anyways, that palette is shown in here. By the way, if you guys are wanting this palette, you don't want to wait to see if it turns out in a Boxycharm, QVC has this on sale, and it's a better deal than Urban Decay right now because Urban Decay has it for 40% off, and I want to say you can save a couple more dollars if you get it through QVC. Just letting you guys know. I'll try to remember to link it down below for you guys. By the way, my links will be magic links. I do use the commissions if you guys purchase through my links to put right back into the channel for you guys, so I can purchase things such as this to do reviews for you guys. This is the Natasha Denona bronze palette. This is what's on my eyes today, and y'all, I'm so obsessed with this. That is not anything that's going to be in the Boxycharm, but I had to tell you guys about it. Okay, moving on from there. So then there is another palette in there that, and I will try and like pop the picture up over here. And this, actually, I did some digging. I went to Tarte's website because I knew this was a Tarte palette, and I am like 99% sure we've seen this palette in past boxes, but I'm not 100%. I'm not 100%, but this is the limited edition Rainforest of the Sea. I think it was like volume 3. Yes, limited edition Rainforest of the Sea highlighting eyeshadow palette volume 3. And again, I'll pop the picture up over here. It is available at Tarte's website right now. I know we have received in the past the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea palettes, but I don't know if we've received this one. I think there was different variations. So maybe want to say somewhere in here, you know what, I think I got it and gave it to my mom. Anyways guys, moving right along to some other things that I did notice in there. Dragon Beauty palette was also seen in there, and this is the Dragon Heart Transformation Face Powder palette. Now this has two different powders in here. Both are for brightening and for the under the eyes. It does have a retail value of $35, and as we know, Dragon Beauty is coming out with another, I think it's like the lavender color corrector type of thing, and we have received the orange color corrector in our past Boxycharm. So to me, this is something that maybe we would definitely see in the future. I'm a little intrigued by it. So moving on from there, we also see in there something that says lash. When I Google it, it does show up as $24.99, and I see the little box. And again, I'll pop it up over here. It looks like it is like this little device to help apply your lashes, which would probably be something that would be really good for me because your girl struggles when it comes to lashes. So like I said, I don't know much about it other than it's $24.99. And they also sell lashes, but I don't think that the lashes are coming in that little box. It's just like a little thing to help with the application process. And then another thing that I see in here, and it's back towards the top by like the Juice Beauty. I think that that's Too Faced, or was that a Tarte Holiday palette? Let me know down below if you guys know. I don't know about this one. I'm like, would we see a holiday palette? I feel like maybe this would be something that we would see for like a Boxy pop-up, maybe a Boxy add-on. I don't know if we would necessarily see this in one of our boxes. Let me know you guys' thoughts down below on that. Let me know also if there's anything in here that I may have missed when it comes to this particular TikTok showing us different things that we've seen in the past and potential spoilers for the future. Okay, so moving on to another TikTok. Now this is Glam by Suzanne's Boxy Spoiler account on TikTok, and she actually posted this, and this goes back to Joe posted it, but I can't find the actual video. It's like it just disappeared, but it is over there on her TikTok account. What we see in here we see the Perricone MD. This is a firming serum. What we see here is the Perricone MD, and I'm thinking it's the face firming serum. I could be wrong on that, and oh my gosh, if it's right though, y'all, this has a retail value of $99. Let me know down below if you know in particularly, like if I'm right or wrong. I probably used that word wrong, but anyways, let me know down below if this is the one you think it is, because I'm not for sure on this, but this is pretty amazing. It does have, looks like 4 out of 5 stars with 401 reviews, and it says 83% of respondents would recommend this to a friend. So I'm kind of curious about that. You guys know your girl loves skincare tools, all things skincare. I mean, obviously I love makeup too, but I love that they are adding things like this in here. Another thing that we did see in this little particular TikTok is Purelease. Now I was excited about this because I received, this is the Purelease Watermelon Charcoal Purifying Cleanser. I received this in the $15 Allure beauty box. So I am really excited about Purelease. I just picked up their watermelon peel off mask. Love that mask, like love that mask. Haven't tried this out yet, but from this little clip that I'm going to show you guys over here, it does look like we're going to see maybe this Purelease watermelon or the matcha green tea. Maybe it's a cleanser, maybe it's a mask, I'm not for sure, but that is something that we may see in here as well. And then I saw this Becca, it looks to be a kit of some kind, and I am not for sure what particular kit it is. I went to Becca's website and they have the Jet Set Glow Prep and Prime kit, and then they also have another kit which I'm thinking it may be this one, but I could, like I said, don't quote me on it, it's speculation, not confirmation. Put a Glow on It kit. Both of these kits are around $24, $25, and you get like 3 items in each of these kits. So let me know down below you guys' thoughts on this. Let me know your thoughts on what you think we will see in the future. Like I said, this is all speculation, not confirmation, but I will definitely be keeping you guys guys informed. I always find it fun to like search the internet, make these kind of videos for you guys, and I'm popping this little surprise video up for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it enough to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, hit that like button, share this video with some friends that are just as intrigued with Boxycharm spoilers, as well as don't forget, like I said, I do have 3 giveaways going on, and thank you again to SKINSTORE for sending over this wonderful Michael Todd beauty little device. You guys, I'm telling you guys, smooth, radiant, glowing skin can be yours today. Oh my god, that sounds like the god-awful infomercial, but welcome to my channel. Anyways, guys, I'll leave a coupon and link for this down below for you guys, and let me know your thoughts, and let me know if you guys come across any TikToks or videos or something that I may have missed. Always feel free to DM me. I'm kind of not the best at getting back, but I'm trying to get better at that. Definitely follow me over on Instagram. You guys know we're trying to grow the following over there. There is a giveaway. That'll be linked down below for you guys. And my husband is walking up and he's throwing me off, so I'm hopping off for now. So until next time, friends, as always, I hope you guys have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!